Welcome to my channel. Join me as I challenge myself to start earning money today using these 5 different income streams. Having multiple income streams is a game changer when it comes to achieving financial security and freedom. It's about more than just making ends meet. It's about living the life you want without worrying about money. We all face financial challenges, from paying off debt to building an emergency fund and finding ways to cover our daily expenses. For many of us, our main source of income just isn't enough, and that's where the struggle begins. We're constantly wondering how we'll make ends meet, or how we'll afford that big purchase we've been wanting to make. The truth is, our financial stress is affecting our overall well-being, making it difficult to sleep, to focus, and to enjoy life. We feel stuck, like we're not making progress, and that's a really tough place to be. We're working hard, but we're not getting ahead, and it's frustrating. The reality is, having just one source of income puts us at risk of financial instability. What if we lose our job or our industry experiences a downturn? What if we get sick or injured and can't work? Having multiple income streams provides a safety net, a way to fall back on when things get tough. It gives us freedom, it gives us peace of mind, and it gives us the ability to pursue our passions. So, let's dive into the 5 income streams that can help you start earning money today. The first one is affiliate marketing, which involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission on sales. I have made a lot of videos on affiliate marketing, and the reason is that it actually works. The second is selling digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or software. The third is creating and selling an online course teaching others a skill or knowledge. The knowledge can be about anything as long as it is valuable. The fourth is investing in stocks or real estate, and the fifth is freelancing, offering services like writing, designing, or consulting. Let's talk about affiliate marketing. With this income stream, you can earn money by promoting products from companies you believe in and that your audience will love. You can do this through social media, blog posts, or even video content. The key is to choose products that align with your values and that your audience will appreciate. Digital products are similar, but instead of promoting someone else's product, you create and sell your own. This could be an ebook, a course, or even a software solution. The beauty of digital products is that once you've created them, you can sell them repeatedly without having to do much additional work. When it comes to creating an online course, the idea is to teach others something you're knowledgeable about or skilled in. This could be anything from cooking to coding to photography. The key is to identify your area of expertise and then create a course that teaches others what you know. Investing in stocks or real estate is a more traditional income stream, but one that can be very lucrative. With stocks, you're essentially buying a small piece of a company and hoping that the company grows in value. With real estate, you're investing in physical property, which can provide rental income or appreciation in value. Freelancing is the 5th income stream, and it's all about offering your skills to others. This could be writing, designing, consulting, or even coaching. One income stream that I'm particularly excited about is investing in stocks. I know it can seem intimidating, but with the right tools and knowledge, it can be a powerful way to earn money. I've seen people earn tens of thousands of dollars through smart investments, and I believe it's an area that anyone can explore. Of course, it's important to do your research and to understand the risks involved, but with the right mindset, investing in stocks can be a game changer. In conclusion, having multiple income streams is a key part of achieving financial security and freedom. By diversifying our income sources, we can reduce our financial stress and start living the life we want. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick, it's about making progress and taking control of our financial futures. If you're interested in learning more about these income streams, or you have questions about getting started, please leave a comment below. And if you want to learn more about financial tips and tricks, be sure to check out my next video. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more interesting financial videos that will help you earn. Thank you for watching.